Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of investing with Robinhood in 2025, one of the first steps you'll need to take is uploading your ID for account verification. This process is crucial for security and compliance, ensuring your account is protected and ready for trading. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this full guide step by step, so you can get it done quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your phone. Open it up and log in to your account using your credentials. If you're a new user, you'll be prompted to create an account first. Go ahead and do that if needed. Once you're logged in, head over to the main menu. Look for the Account or Profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Tap on that, and it should take you to your account settings. Here, scroll down until you find the Verification or Identity Verification section. This is where the magic happens. Next, select the option to upload your ID. Robinhood typically accepts government-issued IDs like a driver's license, passport, or state ID. Choose the type that applies to you, and then follow the prompts to either take a photo of your ID right from your phone or upload an existing image from your gallery. Pro tip: make sure the photo is clear, well lit, and shows the entire ID without any glare or obstructions. This will speed up the verification process. After you've uploaded the image, double-check everything for accuracy. Robinhood might ask you to confirm a few details, like your name or date of birth, so go ahead and verify those. Once you're satisfied, hit the Submit button. Now, it's time to wait. Verification usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the system. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your ID on Robinhood. Remember, this step is all about keeping your investments secure, so it's worth doing right. If you run into any issues, Robinhood's support team is there to help. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this guide helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on investing and tech in 2025. See you in the next video.